What's up guys, welcome to another video. This video in the essential camping gear, we're going to be taking a look at the Solo Stove Bonfire, a smokeless fire pit that's portable that you can take with. It's great for camping, just great for outdoors, backyard, patios, you name it. This is a really good portable fire pit. Now, we have taken a look at the Brio, which is a competitor of Solo Stove. Brio made in the United States, Solo Stove I believe made in China. Brio not quite as portable. Solo Stove, yeah, it's a little more portable. So this being the Bonfire also is a 19-inch. I will link, I'll put a card up here for the Brio video if you want to check that out. It's also in the series. I believe it's like episode 2 or something like that. But so you can check that out if you want to. And we did do a cook on the Brio because they seem to be a little more cooking friendly. But we're going to look at some accessories for the Solo Stove too that will allow you to cook on it. So again, this is the Bonfire. It's a 19-inch portable. It's log friendly, supposedly low smoke, very durable, and 304 stainless steel is how it is made. It also has that dual layer. You can see the little holes in the inside where that is supposed to reignite your smoke. So that's what tries to make this smokeless. It's a very, very hot, efficient burn. You're more apt to use like hardwoods in here to get the better burn and the lowest smoke. So that's what I would definitely steer towards when it comes to that. This also has the shield for the Bonfire on it. I don't have the actual lid on it, but the little bit raised above that is what they call the shield, which gives you a little more shielding from the actual fire. If you want to try to keep anything in, you might be in a drier area and you just want to take precautions, you can use this shield here to try to even tame that down a little bit more. So some specs on this: obviously you use firewood. It is a 20-pound or 9.07 kilograms if you're up to that. It's about 17.5 inches wide, about 14 inches high, and 19.5 inches pretty much overall in the width down towards the bottom. The top kind of comes to a little bit, a little more, I'm talking the opening is 17.5 inches on top. So this is its first burn. It does burn very efficient. What I have also seen though is I get a little more smoke out of the Solo than I did the Brio. So just a little bit of information there. I do keep the wood line above the or below the line. That's where you try to keep your wood so you don't get smoke because it reignites inside of it. The higher you stack your wood, the more smoke you're going to be apt to getting. So that's kind of a little bit of a drawback, but you got to keep it low. So let's take a look. We're going to pause the video and we'll take a look closer at the actual Bonfire. Now don't pay attention to the table that I have around this. I just kind of put that there for I have a dog out here and stuff, and I don't want her getting close to it. So the table does not come with. I actually ordered that on Amazon. If you're interested, I'll put a link in the show notes where you can get this table. Also, you probably want to get a riser in this so the Bonfire will come up a little bit higher if you so desired. Put something under it so you get a little more lift and you don't have that big gap in your table. But this is just for quick review purposes. And so let's pause video. We're going to kind of get around, look at the base of the Bonfire, and then we'll look at some accessories that we have for the Bonfire as well. The shield also is an accessory, does not come with. So if you're interested in the shield, then I'll have a link in the show notes also for that and all the accessories you're about to see. So we'll be right back, guys. Alright, so let's take a tour of the Solo Stove Bonfire. So if we go underneath here, you're going to see the stainless steel exterior. Still looking pretty good from the burn. Not much patina going on, but I don't have a super hot fire going on here. Let's throw another log on real quick. Alright, so let's look at some accessories. Our lid to the shield just goes on like so. I put a little log in a little too high. Trying to move that, stamp it down. Our shield would go like that, so we can put a lid on. Also got the 2-pot set. Solo Stove tripod. This is for cooking. And then the tools that you can actually use to lift, like the shield and stuff around. So we'll go ahead and dig these out, put them up. You can see I'm getting a little smoke. A little more smoke than I got from the Brio. Maybe this isn't burning hot enough yet to reignite the smoke, but well, first burn, as you can see going right now. Let's get some of the accessories going, guys. Be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. So we've got out one of the stoves, you can see here, beautiful stainless steel. Got a thing here you can lift. That's also what these tools are good for. So if you got hot stuff, you can use these tools to hook onto. Also has handles. So you can grab it like this if you want to cook over a grate or a fire. And also has some measurements along the sides. So you can count your ounces and quarts and stuff like that. Some vent. So definitely a really nice pot. Now this stuff goes to the tripod, folds down into this little sleeve, and then the bowls go into this little sleeve. So let's look at the tripod setup. I'll show you some uses here. So tripod assembles real easy into this little stand. I do have the pot here. It's got a hang, like a Dutch oven kind of kettle, so you can hang it, cook over your fire. The tripod is very sturdy, and it comes in 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces to make up each leg, and then you can adjust the chain for how close you want to get to the fire and stuff just by putting this little stopper in here. You can raise and lower, remove, so you can adjust, you know, distance to fire and stuff like that. And like the other pot, this has fold-out handles and measurements on the side, as well as vents and a little handle on top. So that's really nice. I did put on the lid to the shield, and again, you can use these little tools. You can lift it up. We've got 2 of these, so if you need to remove your lid and put more wood in, you can do just that. Again, it's a really nice ecosystem that they have here, and it's all portable, and you can take it, you know, pretty much like I said, out camping with you. Set up a tripod. You could use this over any Solo stove, not just have to be the Bonfire, and you can also use this over a campfire, you know, just a regular old campfire if you want to do some Dutch oven kettle cooking kind of style, and cook it like this, transfer it over off of an open flame. And again, you got the 2 sizes. So a really neat setup from Solo Stove. If you guys want me to do a cook video, put it down in the comments, and I would be glad to do a cook. You know, we'll do some kind of like Dutch oven cook or something like that over the Bonfire here. And you can see it's starting to patina a little bit as it burns. Got a nice fire going in here. Not much smoke, as you can see. Again, that's the tout. Smokeless. Good heat, no smoke. It's not going to be in your eyes. You know, guys, take the ladies. I'm sure one of the things that they complain about is, like, if you get them around the campfire is, oh, the smoke burns my eyes. Yeah, well, here you go. This is a solution. There's a little bit of smoke, but not much. This doesn't burn your eyes. So you can get the ladies out a little easier, guys, to go camping and stuff with you. Or come out and do some s'mores or something out on the patio or out back. You got it made. So, again, this is the Solo Stove featuring the tripod, the pot set, some of the tools, the shield, the bonfire, and that's it. That's what we have for the Solo Stove Essential Camping Gear video. If you want any more details, check out the website and the links below. It'll give you details you want to know, like pot size and stuff, and they got a lot of other stuff too, so check out their site. You won't be disappointed. They've got a lot of different things that you can utilize for your outdoor survival, camping, RVing, whatever needs that you want. And again, it's all portable, and it works really well. It's lightweight. 20 pounds for that bonfire. If you got storage space, take it, right? And this is a safe way to like I said, if you're in some tinder that is just a little bit dry, one of those campfires that just like is opened up is just not real cohesive for that kind of environment. So this here, especially with this shield on it, you can get, like I said, the stand, what gives it the little boost, and you're really reducing the popping and stuff to cause a stray fire or anything like that. So definitely recommend this setup, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Check out the rest of the series on the Essential Camping Gear. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and have a good one.